let's be real. Trading feels risky, unstable, and full of failure. And that's true for most of people. But here's the truth that no one ever talks about. You can't ever fail with trading if you follow this simple rule. And yet, no one ever does this. And it blows my mind. Because this rule is so simple, so effective, that I genuinely don't understand how people are still blowing their accounts and failing their funding challenges. So, what's the rule? Risk no more than 0.5% of your capital per trade. That's it! The end of the story. Let me sink in for a second. We're not talking about psychology here. Not some mystical indicator or some institutional concepts. Just one number, 0.5% per trade. If you truly stick to this, no matter what strategy you use, it's mathematically not impossible to blow your account. Now, I already know what some of you are thinking about. I need to grow fast, I don't have time for small gains. That mindset is exactly what's keeping you stuck here. Let's break it down logically. Even if you're absolutely the worst trader in the world, like seriously, clueless, emotionless, FOMO-ridden, you will still not be able to blow your account. With 0.5% risk per trade, you can literally take 20 losing trades in 1 second before hitting 10% drawdown. Let me repeat that again. 20 losing trades in a straight, and you're still in the game. Now, folks, ask yourself, are you really that bad that you are able to lose 20 trades straight, one by one? Even if you're some clueless SMC trader who's just copy-pasting like the trades from some Telegram signal group, you're at least going to win 1 out of 10 trades. So what's really going on? It is not your strategy. This is your mindset and your refusal to follow the rule that can actually change your life forever. Look at the mirror, straight into your own eyes, and ask one simple question. Do I really want to make money with trading? Or am I here just for a thrill? Because if you cannot follow this simple rule, just keep your risk small and consistent, then you're not just serious, you're just playing games. So let's go deeper, because there's more for it than just a risk. You need a trading plan. And no, I'm not talking about some checklist of your setups. I'm not talking about some entries and exits. A real trading plan that is built around the risk, time, and behavior. And today I'm going to give you the one that can entirely change your whole life, your whole year, if you commit following and doing that. First is risk to reward. Here's where most traders lose even before they enter their trades. They aim for ridiculous 1 to 10, 1 to 20 hour trades. And yeah, that sounds sexy. But let me tell you something about real trading. The more you try to win, the less likely it becomes. It's a law. You want a home run every single time, you're gonna miss way more than you hit. And in the progress, you will destroy your psychology. And here's what actually works. Aim for 3 to 5 hour trades. With this, you're not gambling. You're just simply optimizing. You're gonna have a healthy win rate around 40 to 50%, and you're gonna still grow your account steadily, safely, and confidently. This is a mess that makes trading boring and profitable. Forget about all of those ICT dream trades. Forget about the 1 to 10 hour trades. These are the moonshoots. They are not sustainable, and they are not the reason why you have started trading. You want freedom, not the adrenaline. Number 2, time to trade. This is another thing no one talks about. You should not be trading for a whole day. You're not a robot. In fact, the more time you spend watching charts, the worse your decisions get. That's a science. You need a work-life balance even in trading. That means choosing a specific window of time for trading. No matter your style, even if you're a scalper, day trader, or a swing trader, you need a routine that fits your life. If you're a day trader or scalper, you have to focus on the first 2 hours of the London or New York sessions. That's where the volatility, the cleanest, and the structure makes sense. And beyond that, you're just staring at candles, losing your focus, and increasing your risk. Create structure and respect your schedule. Let the market work around your life, not the other way around. 3. Specific number of trades. Now, this one is underrated, but this absolutely will save your account and your sanity. you need to know the exact number of trades that you are allowed to take. If not, you will overtrade, guaranteed. And it's not about the discipline, it's about rules and clarity. So here's the simple rule of thumb. If you're a scalper, you have to take 1 to 2 trades per one session. If you're a day trader, you have to take 1 to 2 trades for the whole day. And if you're a swing trader, you have to take 1 to 2 trades for the whole week. That's it, no more. No, just one more setup. Know that this will be the one. Stick to the number, log your results, and watch your equity curve to stabilize like never before. If you've made it this far, ask yourself a question. Do I really want to win in trading or just want to feel busy? Because the people who win, they do less, they risk less, so they last longer. You don't need the best strategy, you don't need the perfect timing. You just need to survive long enough for your edge to kick in. And it all starts with that one simple rule. Risk no more than 0.5% per one trade. It's not exciting and it's not flashy, but it will exactly save your account, your confidence, and your future. Trading is not about catching every single move. It's about compounding all of these small wins into the big results. So here's your new motto. Play boring, win big. If that resonates with you, hit the like button, subscribe for more no BS trading advices. And if you really want to make extra couple of grand a month with trading, check out this video over here with a full game plan.